Imagine a world where you could tap into the hidden potential of your mind, overcome limitations, and create a life filled with joy, success, and personal growth. Welcome to the fascinating realm of subliminal messages. In this video, we'll explore the incredible benefits of subliminal messages and how they can help transform your life for the better. Plus, we'll introduce you to an exciting software that allows you to create personalized subliminal messages right in the comfort of your own home. Subliminal affirmations are powerful, positive statements that are designed to bypass your conscious mind and directly influence your subconscious. They are typically presented in such a way that they are not consciously perceivable, allowing them to work their magic behind the scenes. Think of subliminal affirmations as stealthy little helpers, secretly planting seeds of positive change in the fertile soil of your mind. So how do they work? Our subconscious mind is a vast storehouse of thoughts, emotions, and beliefs that influence our daily actions and decisions. It is constantly absorbing information from our environment, even when we're not consciously aware of it. Subliminal affirmations take advantage of this process by presenting positive messages to your subconscious mind, gradually reshaping your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions to align with your goals and desires. So what are the benefits of using subliminal affirmations? Subliminal affirmations offer a myriad of benefits, including overcoming negative thoughts and beliefs. Subliminal messages can help you replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones, allowing you to break free from the mental barriers holding you back. Enhancing self-confidence. By instilling positive messages about your worth and abilities, subliminal affirmations can boost your self-esteem and help you embrace your true potential. Reducing stress and anxiety. Subliminal messages can promote relaxation and calmness, helping you manage stress and anxiety more effectively. Improving habits. By targeting your subconscious mind, subliminal messages can help you adopt healthier habits and let go of destructive ones. Accelerating personal growth. Subliminal affirmations can act as catalysts for personal growth, encouraging you to embrace new challenges and opportunities with enthusiasm and confidence. Let's talk about the science behind subliminal messages. The effectiveness of subliminal affirmations is supported by scientific research. Studies have shown that subliminal messages can influence various aspects of human behavior, such as emotions, preferences, and even physical performance. This research underscores the incredible power of our subconscious mind and its ability to shape our reality in profound ways. Create your own subliminal messages with MindZoom. Now that you understand the amazing potential of subliminal messages, you may be wondering how to harness this power for yourself. The good news is that there's a fantastic software called MindZoom that allows you to create customized subliminal messages at home. MindZoom is an innovative subliminal software designed to help you unlock the hidden potential of your mind. With MindZoom, you can create personalized affirmations tailored to your specific goals and desires, and then deliver them directly to your subconscious mind through visual and auditory channels. Here are some of the key features of MindZoom. Easy-to-use interface. MindZoom's intuitive design makes it simple to create and edit your subliminal affirmations. Customization options. Choose from thousands of pre-written affirmations or create your own to address your unique needs and goals. Multi-sensory delivery. MindZoom uses both visual and auditory subliminal messages to ensure maximum impact on your subconscious mind. Silent subliminal messaging. MindZoom offers a silent subliminal mode, allowing you to receive positive affirmations without any noticeable sounds or visuals, making it perfect for use at work or in other public settings. Compatibility with your favorite music. You can even mix your subliminal affirmations with your favorite music, making the process of absorbing positive messages enjoyable and effortless. Text-to-speech technology. MindZoom's advanced text-to-speech feature allows you to convert your affirmations into spoken messages, further enhancing their effectiveness. By using MindZoom, you can harness the power of subliminal messages to create lasting positive change in your life. Whether you're looking to improve your relationships, boost your confidence, or achieve your personal and professional goals, MindZoom is an invaluable tool to help you unlock your true potential. As an affiliate of MindZoom, I wholeheartedly endorse this remarkable software and encourage you to give it a try. By crafting personalized subliminal messages, you can embark on a journey of self-discovery and transformation, paving the way for a brighter, more fulfilling future. In conclusion, subliminal messages offer a unique and powerful way to influence our thoughts, beliefs, and emotions, ultimately leading to profound personal growth and positive change. By understanding the science behind this phenomenon and utilizing innovative tools like MindZoom, you can take control of your subconscious mind and transform your life in incredible ways. So why wait? Embrace the power of subliminal messages today, and unleash your true potential.